Lesson: Certification Overview, Scope, Significance, and Objectives. The concept of certification, within the context of the Certified AI Implementation Professional Program, serves as a crucial component in validating expertise and enhancing the credibility of professionals in the AI field. Understanding the scope, significance, and objectives of certification is essential for those aiming to navigate and excel in AI implementation. This lesson delves into these aspects, offering actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can directly implement. The significance of certification in AI implementation cannot be overstated. Certifications not only provide a structured pathway for acquiring and validating skills, but also serve as a benchmark for employers assessing the competence of potential hires. A certified professional is often perceived as more knowledgeable and capable, which can lead to increased job opportunities and career advancement. In the realm of AI, where the landscape is continuously evolving, certification helps ensure that professionals remain updated with the latest technologies, methodologies, and ethical considerations. One practical framework that is highly beneficial in AI implementation is the CAIIP model. This framework provides a comprehensive approach to data mining and analytics, which are integral to AI. The CAIIP model outlines a 6-phase process: business understanding, data preparation, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. Each phase is crucial in ensuring that AI systems are developed and implemented effectively. For example, during the business understanding phase, professionals must define the objectives of the AI project and align them with organizational goals. This ensures that the AI initiatives are not only technically sound, but also strategically beneficial to the organization. In the context of AI implementation, the scope of certification encompasses various competencies, including technical skills, ethical considerations, and project management capabilities. Technical skills involve understanding machine learning algorithms, data processing techniques, and programming languages such as Python and R. Ethical considerations are equally important, as AI systems must be designed and implemented in a manner that ensures fairness, accountability, and transparency. Project management skills are essential for overseeing AI projects from inception to deployment, ensuring that they are completed on time and within budget. The objectives of certification programs like CAIIP are multifaceted. Primarily, they aim to equip professionals with the necessary skills to design, develop, and deploy AI systems effectively. This involves a deep understanding of both the theoretical and practical aspects of AI. Additionally, certification programs seek to foster a culture of continuous learning and adaptation, encouraging professionals to stay current with emerging trends and technologies. This is particularly important in AI, where rapid advancements can render certain skills obsolete within a short period. The practical tools and applications integrated into certification programs are designed to address real-world challenges. For instance, TensorFlow and PyTorch are two widely used open-source libraries that enable professionals to build and deploy machine learning models efficiently. These tools provide a robust platform for developing AI applications across various domains, from natural language processing to computer vision. By incorporating these tools into the certification curriculum, professionals can gain hands-on experience in building AI models, thereby enhancing their proficiency and confidence in AI implementation. Case studies serve as a powerful pedagogical tool in certification programs, offering insights into successful AI implementations across different industries. For example, the use of AI in healthcare for predictive analytics and personalized medicine has been well documented. A case study focusing on a hospital that successfully implemented AI for patient diagnosis and treatment planning could illustrate the practical applications of AI and the challenges encountered during implementation. Such case studies not only highlight the potential benefits of AI, but also provide lessons on overcoming obstacles related to data privacy, ethical considerations, and integration with existing systems. Statistics further underscore the impact and importance of certification in AI implementation. According to a report by the World Economic Forum, It is estimated that by 2025, AI will create 97 million new jobs while displacing 85 million jobs, necessitating a workforce that is adept in AI skills. This statistic highlights the growing demand for certified AI professionals who possess the expertise to drive AI initiatives and navigate the challenges associated with AI-driven transformations. The significance of certification is also evident in its role in fostering innovation and competitiveness within organizations. Certified professionals are often at the forefront of developing innovative AI solutions that can enhance operational efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer experiences. For instance, in the retail industry, AI is being used to optimize supply chain operations, personalize marketing strategies, and enhance customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants. Certification programs equip professionals with the skills needed to harness AI technologies for such innovative applications, thereby providing organizations with a competitive edge. Moreover, certification programs emphasize the importance of ethical AI practices. As AI systems become more pervasive, concerns regarding bias, privacy, and accountability have come to the forefront. Certification programs address these concerns by integrating ethical frameworks and guidelines into their curriculum. One such framework is the IEEE Global Initiative on Ethics of Autonomous and Intelligent Systems, which provides comprehensive guidelines on the ethical design and implementation of AI systems. By adhering to these ethical standards, certified professionals can ensure that their AI solutions are not only effective, but also equitable and responsible. In conclusion, the scope, significance, and objectives of certification in AI implementation are extensive and multifaceted. Certification programs like CAIIP play a vital role in preparing professionals for the challenges and opportunities presented by AI. By providing a structured pathway for acquiring and validating skills, these programs enhance the credibility and employability of professionals. Through practical tools, frameworks, case studies, and ethical guidelines, certification programs offer actionable insights and applications that professionals can implement directly in their work. As the demand for AI expertise continues to grow, the role of certification in equipping professionals with the necessary skills and knowledge will become increasingly important.